Hey friends, as you know that organization and the proper discipline act as a proper stairs in the way of getting a successful life. And if we don't have those stairs, then it is very difficult for us to achieve our dreams in our life. And for doing that, we can take help of some kinds of tools. For example, in the previous one video, we have talked about the flashcard which help you to remember things so easily. And just like that, in this video, we are going about to talk about the use of sticky notes. But before that, if you like my content, then hit the like button and share my content to more and more people so they can get help from that. And also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates from my channel and be a part of my community. So friends, in this video, we are going about 6 ways to achieve our organized life with the help of sticky notes. So before talking about the use of sticky notes, it is very important for us to know what the sticky note thing exactly is. So at the first, I will show you a thing that I personally use. It is a register which consists different type of sticky notes. If you want to buy it, you can get the link in the description. But now we will know what we are exactly about to get into. So as you are seeing here, there are 3 kinds of sticky notes. Basically, sticky notes are a piece of paper which have a sticky side aside and the other space for writing. So we can simply write on it and we can place it anywhere. So on your almirah, on your walls, on your whiteboards, etc. So at this register you can get 3 types of sticky notes. First was the massive ones in which you can write something briefly. Second, you can use it like a to-do list. And the third, that act as a mark in your book. For example, if you are reading a book, you can mark different chapters, different areas, different sections and write the thing here so you can directly toggle to it. So it was the register, and at that side you will get a pad. So you can write all your ideas there. And also you will get a pen in it. So it is a quite handy. So it is the register. So we will talk about the use of sticky notes. The best thing of sticky notes is that you can simply put it and you can place it anywhere on the wall. Due to that, you can get your information anywhere. So it is sticky notes, and now we are about to talk the 6 ways we can use sticky notes to organize our life more than ever. So let's talk about the first. Sticky notes help you to keep track of your pending work. For example, you can use sticky notes as a to-do list. You can write all your important tasks priority wise and you can paste it anywhere where you can easily see it. So at every morning or every working hours, you have a track of your task, and that will increase your productivity by many %, because as you know what was more priority to me, you will do that first, and the task with less priority, you will do that at the end. Due to that, you can easily manage your task and you can complete your task in a very efficient manner. So let's talk about the second way. You can use sticky notes like a reminder. For example, if you have important meetings, schedules, appointments or anything coming up, you can simply write them on sticky notes and place it on your wall. So you can see them and keep track of all your meeting and catch it up. Because you have every time your meetings and appointments at your hand on the front of your eyes, you can never miss them. So due to that, you can do your work, attend your meeting more productively, because you have all your schedule in one place at the front of your eyes, and due to that, you can never miss a meeting or appointment. Now let's talk about the third one. Sticky notes can also act like a motivation factor. For example, if you are following someone like Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam or any other, you can write their inspired lines or their quotes. So you can place it on your study place or workplace, and every time you are working or studying, you can see them and get inspired. This not increase your productivity, but it can motivate you. And if your motivation was high, then your productivity is obviously high. You can also keep track of your health by using sticky notes. For that, you can simply write your calorie intake, you can simply write your water intake, you can write your workout hours and all your diet plans on the sticky notes. And by doing that, you have a track of all these things. And due to that, you never forget to do anything which is important for your health. And that's how sticky notes will help you to live a healthy life. So you can also use sticky notes like a bucket list. You can simply write all your life goals, all your year goals and all your monthly goals on the sticky notes. So every time you will see the list, you get more inspired. If you know about the bucket list, then it is a list in which you will write all your life goals, all the things you want to do, all the places you want to reach and everything like that. So you have a track of them. So at the last, you can also use sticky notes like a message. For example, if you are in a hurry of going somewhere and you have no more time to tell others about that, you can simply write a message and leave it on the table or you can also stick it on the door. So when your family members come back, they will know where you are. So they will not worry about you. So these all the 6 ways by which you can use sticky notes in a more efficient manner and live a more organized and productive life. So friends, if you like my video, hit the like button and also share this video so everyone can get help from that. And also, if you got any error in the video or want to suggest something, write in the comment section and I will reply you shortly or immediately as soon I will see your comment. And friends, also subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to be a part of community and for getting the latest updates over this channel. So friends, that's all for this video. In the next Saturday, I will come again with a new topic regarding productivity and organization. So friends, till then, Punish Sharma is signing out.